It's Taco Tuesday, so let's make some Booyah shrimp tacos. Get your shrimp, you're gonna spray them with some avocado oil, dust with the Booyah however much you want. I like it a little spicy. I'm gonna toss them in my Ninja Foodi air fryer and crisp these for 12 minutes. Looking good. Right now, when you get your shrimp out, you can cut them up if you want. I like to cut them up in about half. And then get your tacos ready. Assemble the tacos. There we go. You got your avocado, jalapenos, your shrimp. And just get you a little bit of salsa and some veggies. And you're good to go. Check the link in bio to see where I got all these items for these tacos. See you in the next one.